Hello guys, welcome to SMX channel. Today I have a brand new video for you. In this video I'm going to show the fruits of cocoa chocolate. Okay, there is a twice persons with me here, and he is a Nicholas Najari and he is a grandson Najari. Now we are exploring together here. Guys, if we enter inside of this better tray, there is a lot of cocoa trees and fruits also. Now I'm going to explore the fruits of cocoa chocolate here. For exploring this all the trees and fruits, I'm going inside of this garden. Okay, guys, this is one of the tree. It is called cocoa chocolate tree, and inside of this cocoa tree there is a lot of fruits. It is going to become big one, but it is a small, not big. Look guys, this is one of the tree. It is called cocoa chocolate also. There is a lot of tree and flowers. It is going on. Now for this, it is a big one. This is one also big one, and it is a big one. There is a lot of big. You see, wow, seeing a very beautiful with the fruit and tree also. And we are going to explore another part of tree. There is a lot of tree of cocoa chocolate. Okay, and guys, it is one of the big one, and there is also a lot of fruits, big fruits here, and tree is also big. Look guys, why do we plant this tree? The reason is that for making a chocolate, we will plant this tree on the ground. If that fruit becomes a ripened one, then we will make the chocolate through the help machine. Look guys, there is one also cocoa chocolate, and that is also cocoa chocolate, and that is also cocoa chocolate, and that's one all the cocoa chocolate. Okay, I'm going to explore one by one, and I will show to you for every cocoa chocolate tree and fruit. Okay, we have come here on this cocoa chocolate tree. There is also a lot of fruits. You see guys, small fruit here, but it is going to big now. And there is a no fruit, but here is flowers and fruit also. Look guys, that's one, and a lot of flower also. See, now we are exploring all the trees. This is one of the tree of cocoa chocolate. That's one, and that's one. There is a no fruit. It is also going to recover fruits from the tree. A lot of cocoa fruits are there. Guys, I hope you have enjoyed all the videos by exploring this cocoa chocolate tree and fruit, also better trees. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.